What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly why I think that Pepe on base, Pepe Blue 0x69 is going to make millionaires this bull cycle, this meme coin super cycle very soon. Before getting started, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'm bringing you alpha on a daily basis. Drop a like, it really helps with the algorithm, and also make sure to follow me on X because there's daily insights that are coming your way as well. Okay, if you don't know what Pepe on base is, this is essentially Pepe reinvented on the base ecosystem. As you guys know, the original Pepe is on Ethereum. It made millionaires already. And although I still believe that this is gonna make a lot of people a lot of money because it's probably gonna go towards more billions in market cap, perhaps towards the 10 billion plus. I mean, it's quite inevitable. Right now we're sitting at 5 billion. So in my opinion, it's quite a no-brainer that it's gonna get a Coinbase listing and it's probably gonna go to new highs. I still expect a very easy 5x plus from holding Pepe now, perhaps even towards the 10x plus. But if any of you guys are looking to actually create generational wealth, chances are that you're not gonna be able to do so by investing into Pepe because you're probably looking to get more than a 10x at most out of your investment, right? And this is where Pepe on base gets into place. I have a few theories on why this project is going to do extremely well. To begin with, this project didn't launch that while back. It launched just a couple of months ago, and there's very clear similarities with Pepe and the original Pepe on Ethereum itself. So first of all, the biggest thing is the contract address. You can see that the contract address starts with 0x69 and ends with 33. This is exactly the same contract address of the original Pepe. You can see here that if you see on CoinMarketCap, the original contract address ends in the exact same way. That is already a big thing. And people think, oh, this is trying to imitate Pepe and copy Pepe. But in my opinion, I completely disagree. This is a completely new narrative that aims to recreate what Pepe did, but it's not looking to copy and just leverage the original Pepe into a way of taking their existing user base. This is a fantastic marketing idea that aims to onboard all of the new Web3 users that missed the original Pepe launch when it was on Ethereum, when it was during the previous bear market, and aims to onboard all of these people into a new contract address on a new thriving ecosystem, because the base ecosystem is going to be much bigger than the memes in the Ethereum ecosystem, this bull run around, this meme super cycle that we're starting to experience right now. Think about it. Retail investors are not in. Retail investors are going to FOMO into memes because those projects have the smallest barrier to entry when it comes to crypto investing. It's just a frog. It's not a technology that you need to research and understand. It's just a frog, and by putting $1,000, you're going to have billions of coins, right? In this case, you're going to have millions or perhaps billions of coins in that case. How much Bitcoin are you going to get out of $1,000? Retail investors think like that, and this is why I think that people are, first of all, going to get on board with this, and second, they're going to think about what Pepe did in the last year or so, when it went from essentially zero to this 5 billion in market cap, and they're gonna see, oh, this is Pepe, it's blue, it's on base, I like Coinbase, most people start with Coinbase, most people are normies, they're gonna get into the base ecosystem and they're gonna exactly invest into this. And to this point, I also believe that the popularity of the base chain, this Ethereum layer 2, that is of course owned by Coinbase, it's gonna yield a lot of opportunities for a lot of people to get onboarded and do 1 + 1, Pepe narrative, easy to onboard, new thing. People missed out on the original Pepe. People are going to FOMO into the new Pepe on the base ecosystem. The trend and the kind of marketing that this project is going to attract is, in my opinion, the winning point. But also, we see the website. It's what made that definitely put at least some sort of budget into this. The legend continues, okay? It's not looking to mock the legend. It's not looking to replace it, but it's actually looking to be a continuation. It just makes sense. People missed out. As I said before, the new people are going to FOMO into this. The new people are not going to FOMO into something that is 5 billion in market cap, because even the normies understand that people already made their money through that, but people didn't make a significant amount of wealth with this project yet, and this is why I think it's going to be a winner. Also, the tokenomics are very similar. They're not exactly a one-to-one because, of course, there was more burns that occurred towards the Ethereum original ones, but perhaps they're looking to recreate that as well in the future. I can't say, of course, because the team is anonymous, just like the original team, so I can't say. There's some people speculating that the people behind this project are actually the same people behind the first project. I do disagree. I don't think that that is going to be correlated in any way. But anyway, it just doesn't matter. If people believe it to be, then perhaps it's good for the ecosystem and it's good for people to FOMO into this. The taxes are 0. The token sniffer score is 100 out of 100, exactly what you want to see. LP burned, contract renounced. This is exactly what you want to see when investigating into a project, because for instance, if the liquidity pool is not burned, then the dev can pull a rug, and if the contract is not renounced, then it means that the token holder, it means that the smart contract holder is going to be able to mint a new token or even to pause and freeze transactions, which is precisely far from ideal, right? So this looks very good to me. How do you trade this project? I already posted several tutorials on how to trade on the base ecosystem, but if you're new, I'm just going to give you just a very quick overview. You need to buy Ethereum on a centralized exchange. It can be Coinbase, it can be Bybit if you're a little more proficient with centralized exchanges. I do recommend Bybit. Those are my affiliate, and I also have a $30,000 free deposit campaign that you can participate by clicking on the link down in the description. But any centralized exchange is going to work in this case. And then after getting Ethereum, you're going to withdraw your Ethereum on the Base mainnet. That is very important. Where are you going to withdraw that to? To your wallet, to your Web3 wallet, hot wallet supporting the Base mainnet. I personally use MetaMask, but also Coinbase wallet and a variety of other wallets work as well. And after that, you're going to be able to trade on Uniswap by copying and pasting the contract address that you see right here on that screen. You just click on it, and then you're going to paste it on Uniswap, and you're going to swap your Ethereum on Base for this contract address. So that is all very, very simple. The X profile of this counts slightly over 4,000 subscribers, so you can rest assured that it's still quite early. And there's actually very big people that follow this project. You can see that Travlad and Mario Nafal are actually following this, so it's a bullish sign, at least in my eyes. The content, in my opinion, is pretty fire. It's been a little quiet over the previous days, but I would say that it's more about how the altcoin and meme coin market has reacted to Bitcoin dropping to 66K. It's more about the state of the market overall. We're still finding ourselves at the beginning, I think, of this meme coin super cycle. So in my eyes, it's a fantastic opportunity to get in. If we look just from a technical analysis perspective, we're seeing a big pump and a few correction at the beginning, and then an atrocious pump. And now we formed a fantastic bull flag. There's a perfect triangle. We're actually getting to the end of it. So the chart could look something like this. It doesn't take, too much TA knowledge that this is pretty much how the chart is going to go. Of course, we can also see a movement for a downtrend, but in my eyes, given what this project is building, we have very good reasons to believe that we're going to go for a next uptrend, especially after Bitcoin pumps a little more and the overall sentiment of the market recovers a little bit. The liquidity is very good for what the market cap is in this very moment. It's now at only 7.5 million in market cap. And I can tell you, full disclosure, that I'm heavily accumulating this project because I think that the next leg up is going to be due very soon. The volume of transaction, I got to say, it's not super huge. It's only 5% right now. But I also know that, as I said before, it's overall due to how the market is behaving right now and what the state of the market is, which in my eyes opens a fantastic opportunity. See it, and not as a disadvantage, but rather as an opportunity to actually pack your bags and make millions in the long run. And this is why I'm heavily accumulating this project. And the last thing that I want to mention, look at the number of holders. It actually blows my mind that for a project that is only 7.5 million in market cap right now, we have 83,000 holders. That is definitely on the upper end, and it's probably one of the biggest number of holders that I've seen for this level of market cap at least. That's why I remain very bullish. Thank you so much for watching this video. That was pretty much it. I appreciate you watching. If you want to connect with me any further and see all of my meme coin trading calls and print millions like me and my community are doing right now, I definitely encourage you guys to check out my private group right here. It's the first link down in the description, the QR code that you see above my head. And it's not just my trading signals, but a variety of other benefits that you're going to see listed on the screen. You might have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to create generational wealth this meme coin super cycle, so you don't want to miss out. I hope to see you there and help you out with your crypto investing journey. And until then, take care for now.